First, let's take a picture which we want to remove its background.
Today we are going to see how we are going to remove the background of a picture using a PowerPoint. To do that, let's open PowerPoint. Let's choose a blank PowerPoint template. Let's say we want to add a picture over here. Let's bring the picture which we want to remove the background of it. To do that, let's go to insert picture. I have taken one picture of my puncher. It's in the downloads. So where is it? Let's say we want to remove the background of this picture, for example. Let's say this is a puncher. To do that, we go to picture tools, and over here there is remove background. We click over here and it will bring us over here. So over here, what it does, this purplish or pinkish parties, automatically it will remove the background of it. Over here, for example, it has taken it out. To keep it, there is over here make us mark our area to keep and mark area to remove. There are two buttons. These are very important. To do so, what we are going to do is we click over here and we want to keep this area. So we just click over it, then it has kept it. And over here also it has automatically removed it for us. Then we are done with it, and we can reduce the size the way we want it. Actually, we can crop it later on. I'll show you. Then when you click outside, you see automatically it has cropped out the place. For example, look at this all. If I bring over here, you see I can see the background of it. So it has made the existing picture as BMP, or it has removed the background of it. For example, we can, before we save it, also we can also crop it. We can go to picture tools. We go to crop, and we reduce the size. Then we can simply say crop it. It has cropped it, and we can save it. We should not forget that we should save it as PNG. For example, puncher PNG, and save. Say we want to bring it. If you want to bring it back again, go to pictures, and where did I save it? In the pictures, I think. Pictures, and here is my puncher. So this is a way we can easily remove the background of any picture we have. Let's add one additional example. Let's insert picture, and let's go to downloads. Let's say, for example, this is a picture. If you want to remove the background of this one, what we can do is we just click remove background. Automatically it has chosen an area. Let's say we want to use all this. Then we make a skip. We come over here, we click on the things which you want, we just click. Same again, we just click, we are done. Now we go to picture, we say crop, and we say crop it. Now this Google also automatically make its background transparent. This is the way we remove the background of any picture using PowerPoint. Thank you very much for viewing this video.